My name is Laura Norris, and I teach in the Entrepreneurs Law Clinic here at Santa Clara, and this is Academic Advising Virtually. I'm here to talk about ELC so that you can know what you need to know to register for ELC either in the summer or fall. So, there are 3 important things that you need to know that I will tell you today. The first very important thing to know is that the Entrepreneurs Law Clinic is a clinic. What a clinic is it's almost like working in a law firm where you get to do work for real live clients. It is the only clinic that does transactional law at Santa Clara University. So if you think you're interested in a career in transactional law, it's a good opportunity to get that sort of experience. Second thing you should know, and that is there are times listed in the course catalog for ELC. Those class times are required, but then all other work hours you do on your own time. And that mostly is made up of working on your client projects, meeting with your partner, meeting with your client, and meeting with your supervisor. But all those times occur at times that are mutually convenient for you and the other parties. So it's a very flexible sort of opportunity for you. It's for 3 credits, so you can fit it in with your other classes. And then the third thing that you need to know, that is the most important thing you need to know, and that is that you must apply to ELC at least 1 week in advance of when registration opens for the particular semester. So what that means is if you want to take it in the summer semester, then you must apply by March 23rd. If you apply after March 23rd, you'll be placed on a wait list. Secondly, if you want to take it in the fall, you must apply by June 1st. If I don't receive your application before June 1st, you'll be placed on the wait list. If I receive more applications than I can get even before June 1st or before March 23rd, then you still might end up getting waitlisted. But for priority consideration, please apply by those dates. The application link can be found in the course catalog online. Now, there's a few FAQs that people always ask me about ELC. One of the first FAQs that they ask me is, can I take it in the summer after my 1L year? And the answer is yes. It is perfect time for 1Ls who are transitioning to 2L and don't have a job yet, because it takes about 20 hours a week and it's very much like a job sort of experience. So go ahead, if you are a 1L and you think you're interested in doing it this summer, go ahead and apply. If you're also applying to internships, that's okay. Apply to the ELC, get on the wait list, or get into the class, and then you can always drop if you get an internship. Second question I get is, can I take ELC in summer and work at the same time? Well, I just told you that it's about 20 hours a week, so it would only really work if you had a part-time job in the summer that you were also trying to balance with it. And then another question that I often get is, let me look. Oh yes, how is ELC different than working in, say, a firm that works with startup clients or with business clients? And it's a very big difference because in ELC, you have an opportunity to work with live clients yourself. So if you were to work in a law firm as an intern, for instance, usually a partner or a senior associate is the one who's talking to the client all the time. In the ELC, it's you. You're in charge of managing your client, and you are responsible for that relationship. There is a lot that you learn from that relationship. Are there any more FAQs? No. Oh yes, one more question, and that is, how do I make my application more attractive so I can get into ELC? And the answer is, I'm really just looking for what stage you are in your development, what sorts of experiences you've had, to make sure that I make room for everyone who needs to take ELC before they graduate. So if you were a 3L and this was your last opportunity to take ELC, for instance, I would prioritize you over someone else. But I'm not only looking for people that have lots and lots of experience in startups. That's not necessarily what I'm looking for. I try to make sure Everyone who wants to take ELC has an opportunity to take it while they're at Santa Clara Law, but sometimes I might prioritize people who are getting closer to graduation. So please go ahead and apply, and even if you don't get in the first time, apply again. I'd love to see you in this class. Thanks very much, and if you have questions, you can reach out to me or to Marion Williams, who is the program manager for this program. Thank you very much.